So to hard reset your Tapo C310 camera, you need to go to the back of it or the bottom of the camera and find this little gate. Grab yourself a small star screwdriver and open up those two screws. Now keep in mind that you need to do this when it's plugged into power so that the hard reset is actually effective. So do not turn off the power, do not disconnect the camera. So make sure it's on. You can see it's currently on, as you can see right here. So what you need to do is find a little button right here. So there's a little button, I'm not sure you can see it, that one in there, right below the SD card slot. There's a little button in there. So you can either use something that's blunt and can go in there, or you can use the tip of your fingernail to just kind of press and hold for a couple of seconds until you see this blinking. So I'm pressing and holding right now. There you go. It's gonna blink red thrice, 4 times, 5, 6, couple of times. You'll hear that sound, quick blinking, then it's gonna stop. There you go. Now you can let go. That's a full hard reset of your camera. So now if you need to use it, you have to set it up all over again. Thanks for watching and good luck.